Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to OSP System 9th class senior section girls wing. I am Ms. Rabia Khalid and I am going to teach you the English subject in this session. And I hope that you people are doing very well at your homes and you are doing your assignments in time also. So let's move to our topic. As you people know that we are studying unit number 9, whose name is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. This is the name of the poem written by Robert Frost, and I have given you the little intro about the poet and about the whole poem also. Here are the course contents. So dear students, in the last lecture we have done with the reading and explanation of the poem and comprehension part. So today we are going to study about the paraphrasing of the poem. So let's move to our topic. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is paraphrasing. Some students are still confused in grade 8 that what is actually the paraphrasing, in 8th and 9th. What is the actual meaning of paraphrasing, how to do the paraphrasing, and what are the techniques. So I have pasted this picture over here, what it is and why it matters. So definition is presents key point of an author's ideas in a new way. Second, uses your own words and sentence structure. Actually in paraphrasing you just concise the detail in a sentence structure, like you convert the poetic lines into a complete sentence and you use your own words and your own ideas and you concise the author ideas in a sentence. So this is the basic technique of paraphrasing. Why it is important? Number 1, gives you deeper understanding of source and topic. Second is shows critical thinking, because it is your own effort and because you are doing paraphrasing by yourself by adding your words and creating it in a proper sentence structure. So you can say that it is your own effort and it needs a deeper understanding of the topic, and it shows that you can critically think about any topic. So paraphrasing is basically your own effort and use of your own words in a proper sentence. How to do the paraphrasing? So I have given a paraphrasing example over here and I hope that it will help you a lot. There are two options, original text and paraphrased text. So let's go to the original text. Willy Wonka was famous for his delicious candy. Children and adults love to eat it. This is the original text. When we paraphrase it, it would be as Willy Wonka was known throughout the world because people enjoyed eating the tasty candy he made. So you can see the difference that the original text is something else, but in paraphrased text it is something else. Like paraphrasing shows that it is your critical thinking, and it shows your own effort and your own creation, like how you create the original text in your own words in a complete sentence. So you can see that it is converted into a complex sentence and you have used different words to paraphrase it. So here is the example and I hope that you have get it properly. So dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic properly, but if you still feel any confusion in paraphrasing, you can contact me, you can tell me if you feel any problem. So here is the assignment. Paraphrase all the stanzas of the poem which is mentioned on page 82. You have to paraphrase these stanzas by using the technique which I have mentioned in this lecture, and write down the meanings of the difficult words in the poem. So this is your assignment and I hope that you are doing your assignments in time. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.